Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're going to discuss GoHighLevel Webchat. In this video, I will guide you through everything that you need to know about using GoHighLevel Webchat. We're going to cover how to access WebChat, the different types of WebChat available on GoHighLevel, and how to set up a brand new WebChat feature for your website. Before we get started, I want to let you know that GoHighLevel usually comes with a 14-day free trial. While that's a good start, it might not be enough time to really dig into the features. So here's a special offer just for you. Use my link to sign up and get an extended 30-day free trial. Plus, I'll give you access to my exclusive GoHighLevel Jumpstart course to help you navigate the platform step by step. Click the link below to get started and make the most of your GoHighLevel. Now, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what WebChat actually is. If you're new to this, I'm going to keep it simple and easy so that you get the idea. So WebChat is a tool that allows you to add a live chat feature to your website. Imagine a small chat box popping up on your website where visitors can send messages in real time. That's WebChat. It makes it super easy for your customers to ask questions and get help instantly, which can make a huge difference when it comes to converting visitors into loyal clients. For example, let's say someone is checking out your website and they want to know more about your services. Instead of sending an email and waiting for hours or even days, they can just type their question in the web chat and get a response immediately. Now, this convenience means they're more likely to stay interested in what you have to offer. Web chat can really enhance customer engagement by making sure that you're always available to help right when they need it. It also helps in building trust. So when a customer sees that there's someone they can instantly reach out to, they feel more confident that your business is real and cares about their needs. Plus, it saves time for both you and your customers, since you can handle multiple inquiries in one place. This is why so many businesses are using WebChat today. It's a game changer when it comes to customer interaction. All right, now let me show you how to access WebChat in GoHighLevel. Now don't worry, it's super simple. First, make sure that you're logged into one of your agency sub-accounts. And once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Sites tab. When you're on the Sites page, you'll notice that it's divided into different sections. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see the Web Chat section. Just click on it and you'll be taken directly to the Web Chat feature. Here, you can see all the existing web chats if you've created any before, or you can create a new one. Now that you know how to access WebChat, let's talk about the different types of WebChat available in GoHighLevel. So once you're in the WebChat section, click on the New button to see the different options that you have. GoHighLevel offers three main types of WebChat that you can create, and I'm going to break down each one for you in simple terms so that you can decide which one works best for your business. The first type is SMS email chat. Now this is all about making sure that you can get back to your visitors even if you're not available at the moment. Basically, it collects the visitor's information like their phone number or email so that you can follow up later via SMS or email. Now this is perfect for small teams that can't be available 24/7. For example, if someone reaches out late at night when no one is available, you can still get back to them the next day and keep the conversation going. It ensures that no inquiry is missed, which is super important for keeping potential customers interested. The second type is live chat. This is a real-time two-way chat where you can interact instantly with your visitors. If your business has 24/7 support or you want to offer immediate help, live chat is the way to go. It's especially useful if you have a team dedicated to customer service. Plus, when you pair it with conversation AI, you can automate some of the responses, which means that your team can handle even more chats without being overwhelmed. Imagine a visitor asking about a pricing plan and conversation AI jumps in to provide the answer instantly. Now that's a game changer for efficiency and customer satisfaction. The third type is WhatsApp. Now, this is a great option if your customers prefer using WhatsApp. With this setup, you can have two-way conversations directly through the chat widget on your website, but within the familiar WhatsApp interface. Now, this is ideal for businesses that already have a strong WhatsApp presence and want to make it easy for customers to reach out in a way that they're comfortable with. Just remember, you need to set up your WhatsApp number first before using the feature. It's mandatory, but once it's set up, it's incredibly convenient for both you and your customers. Each of these options has its own strengths, so you can choose the one that best fits your business needs. All right, now let's say that you want to create a live chat web chat in GoHighLevel. To get started, you're going to need to click on the Select button under the Live Chat option. Once you click that, you'll be taken to the Web Chat Builder. Now, this is where you can create, customize, and make your web chat exactly how you want it. The first thing that you'll want to do is change the name on your web chat. It's super easy. Just click on the pencil icon at the top of the builder and then type in the name that you want. Now, let's say that you want to call it Help. Once you've typed in the name, you'll see it update instantly. And now your web chat has a clear purpose for your visitors. Now, when you're inside the web chat builder, you'll notice that there are three different sections on the left side of the screen: widget, chat window, and messaging. Now, each of these sections allows you to customize different aspects of your web chat to make it more engaging and helpful for your visitors. Let's break them down one by one so that you get a complete understanding of how to use them. So in this widget section, there are a few key areas that you can customize. The first part is style, and here you can change how your chat widget looks and behaves. Now, you can turn the chat prompt on or off, which means that you can decide whether the chat box automatically pops up and prompts visitors, or if it just stays minimized until they click on it. Now, you can also change the style of your chat icon or even upload your own custom icon from your computer. This is great for making sure the widget matches your website branding. You also have the option to change the theme of your widget. Now, this means that you can choose colors and styles that go well with your website. It's all about making sure that the widget doesn't look out of place. And don't forget that you can write a welcome message, something like, "Hi there, have a question?" Now, this little detail can make visitors feel more comfortable and more likely to reach out. Lastly, in the style area, you can enable or disable a custom greeting message. For example, you could have a message that says, "Welcome back. How can we help you today?" Now, this helps make the chat feel more personalized, especially for returning visitors. Next, let's talk about widget customization. When you click on this, the first thing that you'll notice is the chat avatar image. Now, you can choose whether or not to show an avatar, and you can even replace the existing image with something that represents your business better. Now, this could be your logo or maybe even a picture of someone from your support team. You can also choose where you want the widget to appear on the screen. You can place it in the bottom right corner, the top left, or whatever makes the most sense for your website layout. And finally, you can adjust the widget dimensions. You can leave it on auto, or you can customize the size to fit your website better. Now, the goal here is to make sure that the widget looks good and doesn't obstruct anything important on your website. All right, now let's move on to the chat window section. Now, this is where you can customize the actual chat experience for your visitors. Here, you can have a lot of control over how everything looks and feels. First, you can set the chat title and intro. Now, this means that you can decide what your visitors see as the title of the chat window and what kind of introductory message they get. For example, the title could be something simple like Support Chat, and the intro message could be, "Hi, how can we assist you today?" Now, this is the first impression your visitors get, so make sure that it's friendly and inviting. Now, you also have an option for an email field and button text. Now, this lets you request an email address before a visitor starts chatting. It can be useful if you want to follow up later or if no one is available to answer immediately. You can also customize the text on the button, so instead of just saying start, it could say something like chat with us. Another cool feature here is the redirect call to action. You can use this to redirect users to a specific URL if they click on it. However, I wouldn't recommend using this if you're planning to have conversation AI enabled, as it can disrupt the flow of the conversation. Next, we have the live chat assigned settings. Now, this is all about what happens once someone starts a live chat. You can set a live chat welcome message, which is what visitors see while they're being assigned to a representative. It's a nice way to let them know that help is on the way. You can also set an inactivity time at, let's say, like 5 minutes. If the user hasn't typed anything in that time, then you can show an inactivity message like, "Are you still there? We're here to help." Now, this helps keep the conversation going. If the chat ends because of inactivity, there's a live chat closed section where you can customize what happens. You can set how long it takes before the chat closes due to inactivity, and you can also set a closed inactivity message. Now, this could be something like, "The chat has ended due to inactivity. Please feel free to reach out again if you need anything." Another feature in this section is the business office hour setup. Here, you can enable specific business hours for your chat. For example, if you only have support available from 9 to 5, you can set that up here so visitors know when they can expect a response. Now, this helps set the right expectations and ensures that visitors aren't left waiting for a reply when no one is available. In the additional options, you can add some important settings like agency branding. Now, this allows you to display your agency's branding at the bottom of the widget, which is a nice touch for keeping everything consistent. If your business deals with medical information or other sensitive data, you might want to add a HIPAA consent checkbox to make sure that everything is compliant with regulations. You can also include a legal message to inform visitors about the terms of communication. Now, this helps to keep everything transparent and compliant. Now let's talk about the messaging section. Now, this part is all about improving how you communicate with your visitors and providing a better overall experience. Now, in the messaging section, you can set up automatic responses and acknowledgments to make sure that your visitors feel heard. For example, you can have an automated message that says, "Thank you for reaching out. One of our team members will be with you shortly." Now, this gives your visitors a sense of assurance that their message has been received and they're not just waiting in the dark. You can also set up different language support options. Now, this is really helpful if your audience speaks multiple languages. You can create a more inclusive environment where visitors can interact in the language that they are most comfortable with. Once you've finished customizing everything in the Web Chat Builder, it's time to save your work. Just click on the Save button at the top right corner to make sure that all of your changes are applied. Now, right next to the Save button, you'll see an option that says Get It for WordPress. Now, if your website is built on WordPress, then you can use this button. When you click on it, it redirects you to another tab where you can easily integrate your web chat into your WordPress site. Now, this way, you don't need to worry about complex coding or anything like that. It's straightforward and you can get your chat up and running in no time. All right, guys. Now, that wraps up our tutorial on GoHighLevel Webchat. I hope that you found this walkthrough helpful, and if you're interested in getting started with GoHighLevel, I've got a special offer for you. Use my link to sign up and you're going to get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, I'll give you access to my exclusive GoHighLevel Jumpstart course to help you get the most out of the platform. It's a great way to explore all the features and make sure that you're set up for success from day one. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.